Do you love yourself? This question is at the heart of your existence. Most people answer yes to this question, but if you start digging, it's only partially true. If you love someone, you wish them well. You love their voice, their face, the way they act, and so on. Why isn't it the same for yourself? You know what is healthy and what everyone needs to do to be healthy. Why don't you practice it on yourself? You are able to classify a dish to say that this dish is healthy. This one is not. So why do you prefer to eat a dish that is not healthy most of the time? If you love yourself, why do you do this? Are you ready to see yourself advertised everywhere in town? If you love yourself, why not? When they listen to a recording of their voice, most people don't like their own voice. But you have someone who loves you. That person enjoys seeing you and loves to listen to you speaking, that is, to hear your voice. Why do you have to judge yourself more harshly?
Do you want to progress in your life and evolve to start living your best life? Visit deservedlifestyle.com to learn more.